Hello friends! So for Mother's Day this year, I asked for Disney stuff. Surprised? I don't think so. So I actually asked for Disney Loungefly backpack. So I'm gonna unbox it and share it with you guys. I was actually looking on secondhand sites to grab it and they were quite pricey. So I found it on Amazon and it was cheaper than bidding on secondhand sites. So anyway, let me share with you what I got. All right, guys, we're gonna do this together. I literally just pulled it out of the Amazon bag. I have been eyeballing this for so long, and my husband's like, Happy Mother's Day. I'm like, oh my gosh. So it was wrapped really good. It has all the stuffing in it. I see tags here. So this is a Disney Loungefly. Can you see what it is? This one is Robin Hood and Maid Marian, and I actually laid eyes on this the last trip we went to Disney. I saw a girl who was in line for baked goods in Epcot, and this was swinging on the back. This moves. I don't know how much it moves, but it moves. I thought it was the cutest. So we have them flying over. If you've seen the movie, you know. And it's teal, which is like my favorite color ever. Look, we're on like teal bedding. Okay, it's got the Loungefly detail. One of the other things that I'm not a huge fan of this particular backpack is I love side pockets and front pocket. It has neither of those. So I will have to wear pockets. Like I have an outfit that has pockets. So I have the plastic wrapping up here. I'm loving all the gold touches. I am not particularly careful with these bags because I actually use them for use. I think I'm gonna need scissors to get in there. Oh my gosh, look, the snake on the back, and he's in the balloon and he's going. Oh my gosh. All right, so let me get some scissors and cut some of these things off, and we will get inside the bag here and take a good look. So we've got Disney Loungefly on the side here. Oh, what is behind us? I bet you it's like the light teal. No, it's white. Interesting. And then this side has the zipper, and then we have this strap that's sewn all the way. All right, let me cut this open. We'll see what it looks on the inside. Okay, there was packaging galore pulled out of this. All right, so I took out the, the stuff to keep it dry, but can we look at the lining for a second? Is that not the cutest? And then I also wanted to show you, oh, I'm so sorry. Here, hold on. Let's see if we can get in here. There's a zipper. So we've got storage there. We have a giant tag and a lot of space. So I'm going to kind of come back out. Hopefully I didn't make you too dizzy. But when I opened the zipper of the bag itself, it zipped very nicely. And it sounds really good too. It sounds like a good zipper. I hate flimsy zippers, but I'm a huge fan that there is a pocket at the back. It's extremely difficult with one hand. But when do you do that with one hand? Normally never. But I will say that I'm a huge fan of a pocket in the back. Then I could keep my phone or my wallet handy. And then I found in these Loungefly bags, let me know if you want to see how I pack them. I usually do smaller bags in here to find certain items that I need. But I am just dying on how cute this is. I love that it's like leather-like material, so it's easy to wipe. And especially if you're setting it down somewhere, I like that it's, you can wipe it off really easily. So super, super cute. If you like these videos, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to see more videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.